During the evening, we learnt from academia how the Horizon and Petras research programs are taking a multidisciplinary approach to trying to solve the problem. Alistair Ritchie from the University of Warwick told us about how Petras is really looking at this from both a technological point of view and a social point of view, and how all of this comes together to develop the UK economy, which is why the government IoT UK programme is funding this research programme. Now, Petras is taking the approach of looking at a complex set of relationships, such as how security, privacy, trust, reliability and ethics all work together with how acceptable is this new technology. This was followed by a presentation from Graham Markle, an ambassador for the IoT Security Foundation. He talked about the good practice guides that the IoT have produced, looking at guides to developers of IoT technology about all the things they should consider when building a solution. He also talked about the self-certification approach that the IELTS are developing. This looked to me a bit like something parallel to the STAR guidelines coming from the Cloud Security Alliance. The evening then moved on to get an industry-focused view, where John Longstaff of Omnetric gave us a presentation of how things are working within the energy sector. He started talking about how these security problems are real, giving us a mini case study of a real security incident that hit the Ukraine power supply in December 2015. He then went on to talk about how some of protections are being built into energy systems, particularly looking at the authentication technologies that are being used for large-scale deployments, where energy systems and suppliers need to be able to talk to smart metering devices. As an example, this is the kind of technology that's being used in the UK to roll out smart metering to 100 million devices. The evening closed with a panel session. The conclusion drawn is, while the security technology is complex, it can be solved, but at the moment the commercial imperative is not there. The economics of the IoT is driving rapid adoption and revenues, whilst the consequences of poor security seem to be socially acceptable at the current time. We've all seen the big security failures, but the consequences for business haven't been that significant. Until this model changes, securing the IoT is going to remain a big challenge. However, the panel did offer some hope that, whilst not focused on the IoT, maybe the GDPR, the General Data Protection Regulation, which is focused on private data and personal data, maybe that will start to change some mindsets about the consequences of failure, and as such have a knock-on effect on some of the IoT systems.